All right, so I recently got a question in the YouTube comments asking me how to roll up the data into annual periods. And so I'll show you how to do that. I thought it would be a good idea to create this video in order to show you how to do this. So first thing I want to do here is you'll notice that I don't have anything in the top bar here that assigns a year to anything. We have our time period monthly, our amortization start, and everything seems to be going in monthly periods, but there's nothing that indicates annual. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Shift Space Control Plus, and I'm going to add years. And that way, when I come down here, I'm going to build out this annual schedule. This will be what references. So I'll use a Sumif formula, and that's going to reference the column or the row that I'm about to build now. So what I'm going to do is equals round up, and I'm going to take the month, divide by 12, comma 0, close digits, and let's make this general. I'm going to copy this down. I'll make all this general. And so by doing this formula, round up and then dividing the month by 12, it'll give us a year. So you'll notice for year 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then after the 12th month, it goes to year 2, and so on. So after the 12th month in year 2, it goes to 3. And so what I'm going to do down here is let's see how many years this goes out. So this goes out to 30 years. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let's put a 0. And I'm going to do plus 0 plus 1. I'm going to copy this all the way out, 30 years. Oh, went a little too far. And then I'm going to copy this down. Copy this here. I'm actually going to come back up here real quick. Put annual period. Actually, let's add a 0 here. And we'll make that general. All right, so for beginning balance, I'm going to use index match. Index and then I'm highlighting the result or the row where I want my results from, and then I want to match 0. I'm going to highlight the annual periods. Comma 0 for an exact match, close parentheses. I'm going to copy this over. All right, so what to notice here is that although we're doing index match, there's many 1s and there's many 2s. Index match will always pick up the first number that it finds that corresponds with the formula. So you'll notice year 1 and year 0 both have 10 million. Year 2 is 9,872,912. And we'll start in year 2. You'll see that it's 9,872,912. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this formula, and for the ending balance, I'm going to copy this straight down. And forgot to lock that in, so we move that back up. Copy that down. Now I'm going to do one thing, is I'm going to move our match to the year ahead. And we can keep the beginning balance. Let's see what happens. So now for year 1, our ending balance is the $9,872,912, and you'll notice that's the beginning of year 2, but year 2 is the end of year 1, so that's the ending balance. And so for the rest of these, we're just going to do a Sumif. Sumif will take our range, which will be the annual period, hit F4, comma, our criteria is annual roll-up, and then we're going to highlight the row where we want our answer from. We're going to hit F4 3 times, Copy this over. And I should just be able to copy this down. Oh, I messed something up. Let's see. Oh, again, I didn't lock this in, so I'm going to lock this in now. All right, and that should do it. Now, just to check, we'll take our beginning balance, subtract our principal payment. We'll do this all the way across, and that's it. So I'm going to format this, and I'll upload this to the post. But that is how you do an annual roll-up of the monthly data. Thanks for watching.